प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो।
Morning everyone, hi, I'm Alka from class 11th standard. Today I am here for Today we are gathered here for for talking about the crucial topic that science is a main author and I am given science is a main. Science is a main for us because it only invented the things and invented things like it invented plastics, but it didn't tell them how to but it didn't invent the things how to disposal completely. And it also invented the AI, but it didn't invent the emotional intelligence. And one of my questions is, if your science is so advanced, so why your science didn't make the actual position of hydrogen? Why isn't it still an exception?
करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है, युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है, कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या
Good morning everyone, myself Peter Mehta class 11. Today I am here to present science explained. As science is very hard to find that science cannot give the solution of any problem without creating more and more problems. Such as we can take the example of AI. AI has been created to solve our problem, but if we create a one result which is a one form, then it uses thousands of liters for cooling their servers. Can you reply? Do you have any alternative of this to save our water? You are generating only one answer and wasting thousands of liters of water. Why? When you are purifying the water, then there all harmful bacteria are going into that 6 liter, and you are saying that you will again purify that and you will use my exhaust. Give me clear cut answer to my question. My question was that, can you save those thousands of liters of water that was going dirty or disturbing by AI?
Yes, it can flow in ocean and observe it, not only wastage of water. You cannot waste, but also go and flow in the ocean and
again, if you can hear, they are going to be disturbed by that.
we are affecting actually in the water.
I'm studying Kavya. I'm presenting here coordinate. My topic is science is a brain. Science is a brain because science is clear many positions and many animals are dead because children consider science. Science is destroying our earth by slowly and it creates many diseases and harm. And science is creating money, but science is give unemployment people. Tell your parents what scientific discovery which does not any negative side.
Morning everyone, myself from class 9. I am here for your competition. My topic is science is boon. As teacher guides, can you tell me any scientific invention that has no negative part? That is coordinate geometry. That's the math, Google Math. This is the invention. That's no negative part. I'm from class 11. I'm here in paper of science. So today we are watching or observing that pollution is day by day. And like air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. And that affecting also that animals, human beings, and insects, which are living them. So my question is that the things which are polluting the environment, human beings or insects, which are going to disappear, it belongs to the science. And then some animals and some insects is going to disappear.
In previous or recent years, there was no science. How did dinosaurs disappear? Instead, according to with the help of science, with the reign of time, animals are disappearing. But in the previous time, there was no science. Then how did a species of dinosaurs disappear? There was no lot of science.
There is no science. But there is not a problem of humans, there is not pollutions. We are not going for pollutions. We are
Respected judges, my dear opponents, and the audience. Myself, Alkesh Chauhan from class 11. I am here to represent science as a field because science has made advanced technologies such as weapons and missiles, which are made up of very expensive resources, which are affordable by the rich countries and rich nations. And I ask, what about the poor countries? It means that your science is saying that they are insecure. Science is made extraordinary weapons, missiles, etc., which are affordable by rich people or rich nations. So what about the poor countries? They are insecure according to your mind.
the poor country are secure than another country, powerful countries. And so has no time.
So it means that national Iran is secure.
No.
How?
Like America is
They are unable to buy your advanced weapons with Islamic Iran.
like France. France
No, tell me my answer. Tell me my answer. It means that they are insecure. It is right or wrong? How?
When the sunlight falls like the temple of Jagannath nations, then there is no shadow of the Jagannath temple. Why? It's not a science. It's not a science. Science is formed for benefit for human beings, human life. Then why you can't find the reason behind it?
That the white countries are investing their money in scientific resources, education and innovation.
They are traveling and doing their resource transfer. Yes.
Radha Mukherjee, and I will present the science as a day. My point is that you have heard about the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. There was a nuclear bomb explosion in which over 2 lakhs of people died instantly. Even they are not feeling the fear. They are not used to see the nuclear explosion. Within some microseconds, their body is paralyzed. If this is not a planetary society,
That's nuclear bomb. As said, the nuclear bombs are all on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Depend on the disadvantage of the new bomb people.
no, is it not a planetary society?
That nuclear bomb that is depend on humans. If the nuclear bomb nuclears are also used to create electricity. For example, France use 70% produce 70% of electricity. That is the base on use of the science. If the people use that in such good way, then the nuclear bomb is used in good way. That is nuclear bomb used in the nuclear bomb. The people are using in bad method. That is because of the people, not the science. I am not in They tell that why not that they are not in India. Yes, I know that much what I know critical, but the only that you that the wrong. If they use it, I think that the people suffer.
Today's nuclear
मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है कृष्ण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो वही तो महान है
They are participating in the national debate competition. My point is science debate. Science is all over across the world, but it also has very destructive purpose. Science is making something for useful, but it also has 100 more times than betterment. It is destructive. And science creates many pollutions which are very harmful for animals. And also plastics which are science is making pollution in ocean which is harmful for environment. My question is that if your science is cool, if your science is formed in solenoid metal, why your science can't discover why the solenoid metal magnetic field not for the south? It means your science is not assuming what
भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वही तो महान है
Science is responsible for that. But why science doesn't make that the level is not concentrated. But science is also but science has also destructive phase. What about that?
से भी क्यों डरे ये
But science
जाके
is not
आसमान में दहाड़ दो
if science had not made that phase by which human can use and destructive phase, if science doesn't make that phase, human should not use the science and fight it.
शान या
I also think I doesn't but if your science had not made that level of disease,
है प्रचंड
people will not come.
है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है जीत की हवस